I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Beth Reilly, and I am with the Flamingo Group, and I'm a realtor. And our team has been very interested in the building of green homes. And the start of this is with Joe Pasma from Enercept, and he's the national sales manager for the Enercept Incorporated. This has been a really great overview of Enercept and how SIPS works, and also the new green structures that are coming down the line. And just, I think it will be a series of things that will slowly educate the public to start seeing these as great options for either an addition on their house or a new build, of course.
I agree, and um, I'm maybe a little bit goofy since I've been in this industry for 30 years and have seen the advantages of it for that length of time. It's really cool to so it's not new technology in the sense that it was just developed yesterday, but I think we're coming together both from an energy code standpoint. People are really concerned about carbon footprints and what we're doing with the environment, and I really think that SIPs offer an advancement or a different way of looking at how we put buildings together that makes a lot of sense. And I think it's great that that time seems to be happening now. And I really think they're going to expand a lot in their usage and the familiarity of everybody that's out there.
Thank you. So if you do want to learn more about SIPs, Enercept, and this technology, or you're actually in the process of building, Joe would be a great resource. And we do have right down below there, we have the link to your company. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoyed being with you guys.
Yeah, thanks again.